Wishing you all a fantastic day, viewer. Join us as we explore the exciting world of heavy machinery together. The Technic Taurus is a professional slag transport vehicle specifically designed to meet the demanding requirements of handling loose materials in industrial environments. As a slag transport machine, the Technic Taurus excels in efficiently transporting slag, a byproduct of industrial processes such as metal smelting, which can be challenging to manage due to its heavy and abrasive nature. However, the Technic Taurus is built to withstand these challenges, ensuring smooth and reliable slag transportation. One of the most incredible and giant wheel excavators globally is the 293 bagger, also known as the coal monster, manufactured by the German company Tackraff. This colossal machine stands over 96 meters tall and weighs more than 14,000 tons. The 293 bagger is equipped with an electric motor that produces an astounding 18,000 horsepower, enabling it to tackle the toughest jobs. This is the Badger Cutter, a pretty impressive piece of equipment equipped with 6 1,000+ pound hammers attached to a hydraulic lifting cylinder to demolish roadways. Construction crews are using it on the project to assist with the demolition of the old road. If done manually, it would likely take about a year to destroy a 1-kilometer long road. The Mekala 7 MWR and 9 MWR are versatile mobile excavators featuring numerous innovative functions and features, designed to meet a variety of requirements in the construction and engineering industries. Equipped with advanced technology, these excavators not only deliver high performance but also optimize flexibility and convenience during operation. The PNH 4800 XPC electric wire shovel is a modern and robust machine designed to meet heavy-duty mining requirements. This device has an outstanding capacity, with a load capacity of up to 135 tons, far exceeding the most advanced standards. The electric wire shovel is not only capable of handling tough mining materials such as iron ore and copper, but also offers versatility and flexibility in tackling any mining challenge. The Wolverine Agitator boat is an advanced agricultural tool designed to efficiently agitate and pump liquid manure in farm operations. It is specifically built to handle the agitation and transfer of liquid manure in lagoon pits and other storage structures. The boat features a sturdy and durable structure, allowing it to withstand the harsh conditions of agricultural environments. The SF Ham 821DQ Cobra Plus Hybrid is a robust and innovative wood chipper designed for heavy-duty tasks in the forestry and biomass industries. The machine is equipped with various safety features, including an automatic shutdown system and an emergency stop button to help protect operators from accidents and injuries. The R38 Stone Crusher is a specialized piece of equipment used to crush rocks and mineral materials in the mining and construction industries. The machine is equipped with a 268 horsepower engine capable of crushing stone and mineral materials with a capacity of up to 250 tons per hour. It features a wide entry and exit system, allowing it to process large pieces of stone and produce final products in specific dimensions based on the user's requirements. We now have a front-end loader, which may initially appear to be an unusual contraption. However, it is specifically designed for a distinct purpose, excavating sand and gravel from wet quarries. With a digging depth of approximately 14 meters, this ladder bucket front-end loader is also utilized for various other tasks, including the swift transportation of coal. The Meehan-Brook CT-12 is an advanced trenching machine designed for efficient and precise trenching operations in various formats. This trencher is equipped with a powerful engine that provides the horsepower and torque needed to handle demanding trenching tasks. The engine is designed to save fuel and reduce emissions, ensuring both high performance and environmental sustainability. With a reliable power source, the CT-12 is capable of effectively cutting through a variety of soil types, including hard and rocky terrain. The Wolf filter is not just an ordinary drainage device but also a unique tool specially designed to meet complex requirements in the installation of drainage systems, particularly in the agricultural sector, where maximum precision and performance are essential. With unrivaled power, this machine effectively addresses the challenges of harsh soil conditions.